How to add product tag in YouTube Shorts. So in this video, I will show you how you can add your product tag or your product sticker into the YouTube Shorts that you upload. First thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you're eligible for the YouTube shopping. You can head over right here to the earn option and see if you're eligible. You can see shopping right here and you can just connect your store if you're indeed eligible and have one of this option right here and have both of this. So if you already connected your store, you can head over and click onto this create option that we can see right here and click onto this upload videos. Now just drop in here the portrait video that you have that is less than a minute or less than 2 minutes and it will be categorized as a YouTube Shorts. So you can either select files from there. So while you're uploading, you can see a tag products option and you can click on the ad right there. Enter the name of the product that you want to tag into search box and then select the product that you want. You can tag up to 60 products for the YouTube Shorts. So for the shorts, you can rearrange the list to choose which product appears as a shopping product sticker. So this will be the first one on the list. Once you're done with that, you can adjust the placing as well as the sizing, and from in there you can use it on your videos. So that's how you add product tag in YouTube Shorts. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe as it really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.